Hi there, my name is Andy. I'm currently studying an integrated Masters in Adventure Sports Science and I'll be heading into my 4th year in September. I thought I'd talk a little bit about the modules that I've enjoyed participating in while studying here at Bangor and within the department, including the outdoor modules, sports psychology and exercise physiology. Bangor University may be a great choice if you're currently thinking about coming here through clearing. The unique environment that we're in has allowed myself and my course peers to gain experience in rock climbing, hill walking, coast steering, whitewater paddling, canoeing and sea kayaking too. The course has therefore enabled us to gain vocational qualifications, which has opened up instructing opportunities at home and also overseas. I thoroughly enjoyed learning more about sports psychology, specifically how certain sports and exercise can be used as coping mechanisms, which has become increasingly important and apparent since the pandemic. I've also thoroughly enjoyed getting involved with the exercise physiology modules, the practical side, but also knowing how and why to apply physical activity to help myself and clinical populations prevent chronic illness, improve mood, reduce depression, increase self-esteem and improve cognition. Exercise is something that most of us can all do, and it's on our doorstep and it's got that many benefits. So yeah, if you're thinking of coming to Bangor through clearing, I can't recommend it enough and hope to see you in September.